Hi, it's Sandra, and today I actually got March's Mani by Me box early, and I've never gotten it on the first before. So I figured I'd take this opportunity and show you what's in the box if you haven't already seen it. If you go to the Maniology site, they did do a video on this, so they show you some ideas to do with this box, and so you can always go there as well. If you do decide to use and buy any Maniology products, just don't forget to use my discount code 10%. You cannot use it on the box or the express kit, but it's NS10. So as usual, it comes in a little box, and within the box is a couple of cards. One tells you, kind of gives you the theme of what's inside, and it gives you a little description. It's really cute. I usually read all these before I even start with a manicure because I just think it's kind of nice. And then this card actually tells you, gives you a tutorial and how to stamp if you don't already know that. So you got these two little cards, and then the rest of it comes in this little box. I'm gonna rip this open. And this month we got 2 polishes as usual, but this time what we got is actually a sheer polish. It is not a stamping polish. So if you don't have any experience with this sheer polish, you can actually, it's really nice to use the sheer polish as a base coat and then stamp something on top of it. It just kind of looks unique. It's almost like a nylon effect. So, and if you didn't get the kit or you didn't get the polishes, you can make your own sheer polish or buy it somewhere by merely taking your black polish, putting a couple drops in a bottle, and then adding clear polish to that, and that'll make your sheer polish. So this one is the sheer polish, the black, and this one is actually the deep red called leather that came with the Mani by Me box, and this is called lace. So I've already actually made my own sheer polish, but I will actually use this one to see how close it is. And making your polish, I think the sheer polish is probably just as good as buying it. So don't hesitate to try and make your own polish. And you get your little sticker. Used to have the gummy pineapple, but now they're given stickers. And then obviously you've got the 2 plates. Oh, and this month we actually have 3 plates. I forgot about that. So every month you get a extra little gift, and this is the first time that I've actually seen that they've given 3 different plates. So 2 of them are actually the exclusive plates. So these 2 plates are exclusive, meaning that once this goes away, once it's sold out, you cannot get these anymore. And then this one, it's my understanding that they're actually going to sell this one as normal online. So this one you'll be able to get anytime. These 2 are the exclusive plates. So let's open these up and give them a look without the blue plastic, and we'll see what we can do with these. All right, so here's the 3, like I said, here's the 3 plates, and let's take these off and see what they look like without the blue film. So here is the exclusive plate 052, and I think that's really cute. I really like the hearts. This is really cute. I think they all have great possibilities. So let's take the film off this one. Okay, this one is 052. This little bow is cute too. I think they're all cute. So that is MXM 052. Let's go to the other exclusive plate. And this one is MXM 051. And if you're not familiar with this, they always give you 2 plates in their boxes and their express kit. That again are, once they run out, that's it. So they're exclusive. And this one's really cute. It's got all the lace patterns and it's got some florals on here, some roses. This looks like lilies. I don't know what these are. It looks like a flower, but I don't know what it is. Very pretty. And then they've got like this fishnet nylon kind of look. And then you've got all these little pieces that you can do on your tips of your nail or the sides or whatever lace patterns you want. So that's really cute, especially if you don't have any lace patterns. And then this is the free gift. And like I said, they usually give a tool, or last month they gave cuticle oil. So this month they're actually giving you a plate. And this will be available for everyone. And this is just a bunch of lace patterns. So lots of lace with this one. Very nice. It looks like here's like the nylon look with the little flowers inside of it. So there's a whole bunch of really cool patterns in this. Okay. So I'm just going to do something quick and then I'll come back with a full manicure. Okay, so here's the manicure that I came up with. And I think it turned out really spectacular. And I can tell you that I did not have the drive to really get this box, and I thought, you should get it just in case, because usually what happens is I don't get it, and then I'm regretful, because then I think of ideas, or people come up with ideas like, darn, I should have gotten that box. But anyway, this is what I came up with, and this is the actual the leather that was in the box. And it covered with 1 coat, no problems. And then on these 3 fingers, I used the sheer behind and then the straight black as the netting effect. So on this one, I used the actual flowers, and I can show you each one of them that I used. I used these flowers on this one. I'm sorry, this one right here. And I just used a straight up black for that. And then on the middle finger, I used the leather and I used this picture. And I ended up using a off-white. It's actually hit the bottle and it's called Whiskey Latte. And I think it's a great off-white. And then I did the netting. And by the way, I love netting, especially with this sheer polish. I think that if you use the sheer polish, you need to put something on top that doesn't cover the whole nail so that you can see that sheer polish. So it's very important that you don't pick a real solid design. So I used the 2 nettings that I used are this one and this little teeny one right here, which I thought was really cute. So I used this one on my pointer finger and I used the bigger one on my pinky finger. And then I used one of the little flowers off of this plate, I think it was. Oh, no, it's not this plate. It's this plate. Had a little teeny flower on one of these patterns. And now, of course, because I'm looking for it, I can't find it. But it was a pattern that I just pulled it off from. So I wanted to do just a little bit of color on here, and I used the little teeny flower on there. And I think that is enough because you can really see the netting on there. And then this one, I love this bow. I just think it's gorgeous. I think it's really cute. It'd also be cute colored in. It fits perfect on your finger. And I like the netting in the background. I think that really shows off the sheer polish. And then for my thumb, I had to use the heart. I love this heart. I had no problems coming up with ideas for my 5 fingers, and probably if I had when I do the other hand, because I always do this, I do one hand and then I'm like, oh, and then I go to start the other hand and then I come up with more ideas and I have a hard time actually doing the same thing on both hands. So both of these that are the pink I used is actually by Color Alike, and I have a few polishes by them. I think they're stamping polish is really opaque. I love the pink. I also bought a lavender, and I can't remember what other color, but their stamping polishes are really nice. It's one of the only pinks that I have other than the Maniology. I think it's an iridescent pink. That really, you can see the pink. This is the Maniology one that I like that's pink, and this is called Wild Wings. So that's what I came up with. I think it's a really fun box. I don't think you're going to have any problems coming up with your own ideas. The possibilities are so unlimited. I mean, you could go on and on for days. You could probably do a few weeks of these and still not hit everything that you'd want to do on your nails. So I really like this box. I was really hesitant to buy it and read everything online, and I just think it's a great box. You really have a lot of images to pick from, and I think the sheer polish is really nice. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you go to buy any of the Maniology products other than the Mani by Me box and the Mani by Me Express Kit, you can use my discount code for a 10% discount. Thanks. Bye.